This video will cover the topic scatter plots and correlation. Scatter plots are plots that use the x and y axis to plot points. These points show a correlation between two variables, which are represented by the x and y axis. If a scatter plot doesn't have a visible pattern, then the two variables are probably not related. Let's do an example. The scatter plot shows the years of experience and hourly pay rate for each of the 21 cashiers in Florida. Also shown is the line of best fit for the data. We are asked to answer these three questions. Question A: for these 21 cashiers, as experience increases, pay tends to blank. Question B: for these 21 cashiers, there is blank correlation between experience and pay. And question C: using the line of best fit, we would predict that a cashier with 7 years of experience would make approximately blank dollars per hour.
I'm not really sure if I understand how I'm supposed to be getting the answers to these questions just by looking at the graph. How do you read a scatter plot?
That's a great question. Let's first look at the x and y axis. In this case, there is a label labeling the x-axis, years of experience, and a label labeling the y-axis, pay in dollars per hour. These are the two variables we are comparing. We are trying to see if years of experience affects the pay in dollars per hour.
How do we know that we aren't seeing if the pay in dollars per hour affects the years of experience?
Good question. In almost every case, the independent variable will be on the x-axis. An independent variable is the variable that will be causing the impact on the other variable. This other variable, which is almost always on the y-axis, is called the dependent variable. It is called this because it depends on the independent variable. In this case, we are seeing how the independent variable, the years of experience, impacts the dependent variable, the pay in dollars per hour. The x value of the points increases as the y values increase. Therefore, as experience increases, pay tends to increase. This pattern is called a positive correlation.
The third question mentions a line of best fit, though. What does this mean?
A line of best fit is a line that best matches the pattern of the points plotted. You can see this here. For question C, we are asked to find the pay in dollars per hour of a cashier with 7 years of experience. To do this, we will begin by looking at the value of x, which is 7. We can see that when we reach the line that the y value is between 14 and 15. 14.5 is exactly between these two numbers, so the approximate pay of a cashier with 7 years of experience is $14.5 per hour.
In summary, it seems like we first need to find which variable is the dependent variable and which is the independent variable. Then we look at the pattern of the points to find the correlation. If as one variable increases, the other one also increases, there is a positive correlation. But if as one increases, the other decreases, there is a negative correlation. Finally, we can use a line of best fit to approximate the dependent variable at any value of the independent variable.
Exactly.